Before directly jumping into the topic, do you know why we repot the plants and what makes the plant to repot? The main reason behind is rootbound. It is a condition where roots are tightly and densely packed within the pot as much the roots can, and there will be no further space for the roots to develop. Evening hours are the perfect time to repot the plant because this prevents the plant from the sunlight shock and plants get enough time to adapt overnight. Now it's time for repotting. First, turn the plant sideways and tap the bottom of the container. Roll the container and tap the sides. If you feel difficult to do so, just scrape the sides with the help of a trowel. And then gently pull the root ball. Tease the root ball gently to loosen the roots. You can go for root pruning if needed, but make sure you won't disturb the main root. Now take a new pot and pour a base layer and pack it down tightly. Now place the plant in the center of the container and pack the plant with the potting mix. Make sure you leave a 1 inch space between the top of the container and the soil. This prevents the spilling of the soil when you water the plant. Here you are done with the repotting.